Hello, 56 Ranchers Pygmy Goat Group. It's Sarah here. Jenna and I have decided to do some digital learning for our project meetings for the month of March and April. And you're going to see on here that usually March, April, and May we have a lot of showmanship practices and lots of more opportunities for practices. So we have a lot of opportunities on here to make up the hours or to get up to those hours that you need for the fairs. Now, you can pick and choose which assignments, but right now we have posted at least 6 hours worth of assignments. And I'm going to kind of show you how to work Google Classroom, where to find things. Some of you may or may not have experience with Google Classroom, but being that this is the teacher in me, this is the most easiest and accessible way to teach you all your kids. So first thing is when you go search Google Classroom, you are going to, first you need a Google email, and then you go into Google Classroom and you're going to join a class, and it's going to ask for a class code. This is your class code for the Pygmy Goat group. So make sure you keep a hold of that code. So you're going to enter that in, and then you should see this screen. The two areas that you are going to really utilize will be the stream and the classwork. To me, the stream is a little bit chaotic, but it is everything that has been posted in the time frame. New stuff and announcements will be up here, old stuff in the bottom. But I have it a little bit more organized under classwork. And if you click on classwork, this is where it takes you to. You should see something like this. So I have it organized. March meeting, teach about pygmy goats. Actually, it's a lot more than that now. So I'll adjust that. So March meetings, these are your options for your hours. Now you can do 1, you can do 4, 3, whatever you need to do. You all know what you need to do to or how many hours you need for the fair, so I'm leaving it up to you. So the first one I have here is you are the teacher. This assignment is about any topic in the goat world. It could be feed, birthing, parasites, just vocabulary words like buck, doe, weather, the parts, colors, anything, but don't do showmanship. Anything. And you'll need to do a 2-minute educational video, acting as if teaching someone that has no knowledge in goats. So be creative, have fun with this. But I know that I have some siblings out there, so if you want to do a collab type of video, that's fine. Just know it'll need to be 4 minutes then instead of 2. So you'll need to turn in your video here. If you upload it to YouTube and give me the link, whatever you want to do. But yeah, be creative, have fun with this one. Those of you with, also here, I have making sure your goat is healthy. This one, I have given you a checklist as to an assessment for healthy animals, and a 1-page document or a video if you want to, explaining what we look for in a healthy animal. Make sure you're hitting all of those different parts of the checklist. So making sure, what's healthy, what's not healthy, if you're maybe what you see in a sick animal. And so on. So you can do either, again, typed up or a video. It's up to you. Those of you that would have pygmy goats are at home, you can participate in this one. So what you'll need to do is you'll need a video yourself or have a parent do it of you practicing showmanship. What I want you to do is I want you to watch the video and reflect on how you did. So this is things like what did you do well? What maybe things didn't go so well? What would you do next time to make yourself even better? What are your goals and that you want to work on, and hopefully by next month you'll have accomplished. So I want you to turn in this video and the little reflection. Make sure you hit all of those questions and you're using complete sentences. So yeah, putting all that here. So that is March. And then April here, I have these 3 options. So I have judging pygmy goats. We have April showmanship, and we have showmanship questions. So the judging the pygmy goats, I have given you all the resources off of the National Pygmy Goat Association. It's talking about confirmation and what are faults and all of those things. So it's the scorecard for the pygmy goat. What I want you to do is I want you to look at these resources and explain to me what does the ideal pygmy goat look like? What does the judge want to see? You can either, again, you type it up, or you can give me a 1-minute video about what the judge is looking for. Again, have fun with this, because, we have these resources forever once you do these videos. So yeah, that's that assignment. You can either use your goat in the video, or you don't have to. Totally up to you. Then we have the April showmanship practice. This one's the same thing as March, but it's the same exact thing, but just maybe seeing that growth between March and April, and seeing, what did you accomplish? What did you maybe still need to work on? And so on. And then lastly, this assignment here, I have showmanship questions. I have typed up a list of showmanship questions. If you click on the document, it'll have this list of questions. What's cool about this is that this is your document. You get to type directly on it. So what I'm going to recommend is that when on your document, just type it out, the answers. Maybe either change the color. So like if you go here, change the color. What is the adult female called? Then you can write. So that is one thing that you can do for an hour of hours for our requirement. So back to this. So anyways, again, 6 hours, opportunities. Choose what you want to do. Choose what you don't want to do. As many or as little as you want. I hope this is helpful. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to text Jenna or I, or email us, and we'll be happy to help. All right, everyone, stay safe, have fun. Again, let me know if you need help.